Welcome. Today I'll be going over how to simplify fractions. Simplifying a fraction means it is in its simplest or smallest form. So every time you do a fraction problem, make sure to check to see if the answer can be simplified. I'll be going over 3 problems today step by step, but before we get started, math doesn't have to be hard. If you're ready to make it easy, hit the like button and subscribe to help my channel reach more people. Let's get started. Our first problem on the board is 12 over 20. So to simplify a fraction, you need to find the greatest common factor of the top number and the bottom number. And a factor are the numbers multiplied together to get to another number. So we're going to go ahead and write out our factors of 12 and 20. So I'm going to write it down here. Let's start with 12. So we always start with 1. If you take 1 times 12 equals to 12. So you leave a space in between so we can kind of work our way into it. So next, if we take 12 divided by 2, that'll give us a 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. Next, 3 and 4. 3 times 4 equals to 12. So here are the numbers or factors of 12. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move on to the 20. Again, we're going to start with 1. 1 times 20 equals to 20. Next, 2 times 10 equals to 20. Then 5 times 4 equals to 20. So these are the numbers or the factors of 20. Okay, so now we can see that the factors or the common factors are 4 and 4. Okay, so we're going to take 12 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our first answer to our problem is 3 over 5. And that is in its simplest form. Okay, now let's move on to our second problem, which is 18 over 24. Again, we're going to write out the factors of 18 first and then 24. So let's do 18. So always start with 1. So 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is also 18. And then we have 3 times 6 is 18. So here are the factors of 18. Now let's move on to 24. Again, start with 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. And then we have a 4 and a 6. 4 times 6 is 24. I kind of ran out of room, so I put it on the top, okay? So on the bottom, we have the factors of 24. So here you can see our common factor is a 6 here and a 6 here. So we're going to take that divided by 6 and 24 divided by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. So our answer to our second problem is 3/4. Okay. All right, now let's move on to our third problem, which is 45 over 60. Again, we're going to go ahead and write out our factors of 45 first. So we're going to always start with 1. So 1 times 45, I'm going to write it here, is 45. 3 times 15 is 45. Then we have 5 times 9 is 45. So here are the factors of 45. Now let's do the factors of 60. This one, it's a bigger number, so it's going to take us a while. So I'm going to kind of spread it out as far as I can. So we have 1 times 60 is 62 times 30 is also 60. 3 times 20 is 60. We have 4 times 15 is 60. And then we have 5 times 12 is also 60. And then we have 6 times 10 is also 60. So I'm going to just write it below because I ran out of room. Okay, here we can see that 15 is our common factor. So we're going to divide this by 15 and then divide this by 15. Okay, so 45 divided by 15 is 3. And then 60 divided by 15 is 4. So that is in its simplest form. Our answer to our third problem is 3/4. Okay, if this video helped you understand, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more math videos.